In this video, I'm going to show you how to save and back up gallery photos to Google Photos. Let's launch the Google Photos app. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Suppose you want to back up photos for this device or profile. Backing up photos in Google Photos is essential to ensure that your memories and important moments are safely stored and protected from loss. Whether it's due to accidental deletion, device damage, or phone theft, losing photos can be heartbreaking. By backing up to Google Photos, you can access your images anytime from any device with an internet connection. It also helps free up space on your phone while organizing and syncing your media automatically. In the pop-up menu, tap on Photos Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Back Up. Turn on Back Up from here. Your photos on this device will back up automatically from now on. In this menu, you'll get the options to choose the quality of your backup media and mobile data usage. Now, if you want to back up only specific folders, tap on Back Up Device Folders. Here, you can select all of the folders to back up automatically, or you can select any specific one from here. Following these steps, you can back up your gallery photos to Google Photos.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.